Doesn't 1 2 3 mic check. Doesn't 1 2 3 mic check. Doesn't 1 2 3 mic check. Sets on the levels. Sets on the levels. Sets on the levels. Sets on the levels. Sets on the doubles. Sets on the levels. Sets on the doubles. Levels is good. Levels is good. Levels is good. Devils is good. Levels is good. Devils is good. What's good, man? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. Hold on 1 second, bro. I gotta turn off that air purifier. It's making too much noise. Give me 1 second. Levels is good. Levels is good. Levels is good. Levels is good. Devils is good. Levels is good. Oh, got some numbers coming out. Printing. Got some number printing. I don't even need the freaking note, bro. I could tell by this price action, bro. Where are they releasing right now? Some payroll stuff. I know Apple paused all hiring. And let me fix my chroma key real quick. It's not used to the white shirt. It's not used to the white polo. Hold up. Let me fix this real quick. I don't like that. I don't like how they look. Hold up. I think that's better right there. Oh yeah. A lot better. Levels is good. Levels is good. What's good? It's your boy E coming at you with some more finance solutions. Hope everyone's having a good morning out there. Definitely some more rips to fade. Damn, I should have just stayed in. I should have just stayed fading, huh? Wait, let's look at Soxo. See what it did. I'm at success. Yeah. That freaking play from Power Hour got back up here to this previous close, and then the market, I guess, seen some overnight action, some more gapping up. That's why, bro, it's like dangerous to swing these things overnight, bro. I mean, it could be hit or miss. When you hit, it's definitely good. You hit decent, but when you miss, it's bad. And look, we're seeing some action coming in here. Some bullishness just hit the market for sure. Ooh, what is going on here? Looks like, damn. Ooh. Ooh. But see all this freaking running up, bro? Like, I don't know, bro. Like, I feel like that sets you up for the sell-off at market open, bro. But I mean, definitely some bullishness coming in right now. Good, Apple jumped out. Look, everything's wicking up at the top. What the hell did I just click on? Hold up. Trying to get rid of all these levels real quick. Get these charts set back to default. Because with all this price action, bro, like it seems like levels don't even matter right now. Seems like you need to go out to monthly levels or something. All right. So the semis, Nvidia is catching a nice little bounce. But see, you could have caught that play, the one from Power Hour yesterday, that Sox S, and then flipped on it. And it looks like my Getty position is actually in the money. Cause I didn't grab the tens. So we'll see. I mean, I like this bullishness for that position. What time is it? Alright. I gotta post that watch list. We still got time though. I need to gather more data. And that's the reason why the watch list, you feel me? Like I don't release it earlier because you have to gather intelligence. You don't want to release it too early and then something changes. You feel me? So I feel like half hour before market open is sufficient. You know, I'm just doing a little housekeeping here, bro. Making sure everything's good. Making sure everything's G to G, bro. Good to go. And I mean, I heard there is some there's some bullishness coming in from like the China names because of like they're about to get rid of the zero lockdown. And look at that. Look at Baba. That thing gapped up overnight. I mean, it was actually running yesterday. Woof. That's one we missed. Again, though, bro, I don't trust the China names, bro. Because at any second, they can come in and do whatever they want to do. But I mean, decent gap up. I mean, if you ran this thing from yesterday up until now, I mean, that thing would have printed. I just feel like they're too dangerous. All right. So you got what? Baba, some of the EV companies, maybe a Neo did something. Let's see what Neo did. Yeah, same thing. All the China names basically popped. But I mean, honestly, I would be looking to probably fade those rips. That's just me personally. But look at that gap up. What else we got? XPEV. Look, same thing. So all the China names are basically extended decent right now. Those things are extended, bro. Look at this. Look at the extension on these. Neo, XPEV, Baba. Looks like Neo's already showing signs of weakness. Might be a good candidate to fade. We'll have to check it out. And look, market popped and it's like selling off. Let's go out a little bit. Let's look at it 5-day. Damn. I'm telling you, bro. Rip faders market, bro. Like, this is why I was reluctant to buy any dips in this market. And you see why. And then when I did decide to buy a dip, I got punished severely for it, bro. Like, severely punished. So it's not that I'm just bearish and I want the market to sell off. I'm just looking at the data, man. Like, you must remain neutral in your bias day to day if you expect to make money every day. Can't just be bullish. Can't just be bearish. You have to be neutral. That's the only way you make money every day. Now, long-term investing is something different. Long-term investing is just DCA, bro, dollar cost average. But you have to dollar cost average into the right thing. Can't just dollar cost average into anything. I don't know. I'm going to be looking to fade some of these China names today. Let me see what the reaction is off the open. And I also need to take a look at the watch list. Let me see if it's... All right. My guys are still gathering data. A lot of work goes into that watch list too, bro. It's not something that just gets thrown together, bro. All right. Put on a little bit of music. Bruh. I mean, Getty's above all indicators and its front side. So hopefully that thing can get a pop today and I can go ahead and close that out. Let's check out some news. Meta, Wall Street bet stocks largely up pre-market. Coinbase Global poised to surge. Coinbase, PayPal holdings to sink. Meta India chief joins rival Snap as company. Once accused of calling the country poor, eyes growth in APAC. Meta India chief joins rival So you got one of the top dogs freaking jumping ship on Meta and joining Snap. That's what it looks like. Vietnam to require 24-hour takedown for false media content. There they go, trying to censor. That's why my stream is also on Rumble. Polygon sizzles after Instagram JPM tie-ups. As 175% breakout to hit record. Polygon Cryptomatic was among the top 3 cryptocurrency gainers on Thursday after the platform announced high-profile partnerships with JP Morgan and Meta. Matic is up 200% since its lowest point on June 19th, trading at $1.09 when this was written. I mean, once I seen that we were headed into a crypto winter, I cashed out all my crypto. Cash it all out. Like, bro, I don't want my capital tied up in something that might take 5 years to come back. And that's what it's looking like, bro. I mean, 5 years might be an exaggeration, but I don't want my capital tied up in anything that could take years to come back. Even 1 year. That money could be working somewhere else. And that's the thing, bro. It's good to have money, yes. But if you have the money, you can't just have it sitting around. It needs to be working. Otherwise, it loses value due to inflation, especially now. What time is it? All right. Yeah, the watch list is almost ready. You guys should be going and signing up for that watch list. Bro, why am I getting so much thirst sweat stuff on my freaking timeline, bro? Dude, this is crazy. Hold up. I'm gonna click on it just to show you what type of shit's popping up. Alright. Mind you, on this finance channel that I just made, bro, I haven't searched nothing on it. All I've done is uploaded videos. But I get straight. Look, where's the G spot? Look, the one who masturbates 2 to 3 times a week. What the hell, bro? I swear, I haven't searched nothing on this channel, dude. If a younger woman liked you, like, what the? Like, dude. Like, I really expected this video to do better, bro. But I did upload it late, so we'll see. Sometimes you can't tell with the algorithm, bro. Like, things just like, because like I've uploaded like content to like TikTok or something, and like swore it was like my like the best clip ever, bro. And then it does nothing. And then I upload something that's like like I would consider like garbage, and it gets freaking 10,000 views. Like, it's so weird, bro. That's why, like, I don't know. Like, at one point, like on my gaming TikTok, bro, like, it didn't matter what it was. I would just freaking download my whole stream and chop it up into clips and just upload it in 2-minute segments or whatever it was, because TikTok used to have like a limit, like your videos could only be a certain amount of gigs or a certain amount of time or something like that. So I would just download my whole stream and chop it up into those segments and upload it, no matter what it was. And bruh, like, I ain't gonna lie, it actually worked. Well, sure. Like, see, I don't know if I'll be able to log into my my freaking my gaming TikTok, because it's on my phone. The hell was that? See, look, this is a finance TikTok that I just started. Like, let me see, when did I upload the first video? There's your boy E coming at you with another one. Look, started October 6th, so it's less than a month old. I mean, it's getting some decent views. I mean, I haven't really advertised it or nothing. Look, 466, 500, 474. I mean, just random clips. But I'm really trying to show you. Watch this. I'm gonna show you how the randomness was working. Hold on. I didn't even have to log into it. I can just go to the page and show you. Look, and I've been sleeping on this thing. Look, this is the last time I uploaded anything was the 15th of this month. Look, and like my whole method for like the first, I don't know, couple months when that I started this thing was just me downloading my clips, my streaming, and chopping them up into random 2-minute segments or whatever. And look, these things are getting views, bro. Like 2,700, 1,500. Like, look, 2,100. And I've got some that, I mean, these are low views. I've got some that's got like 100,000, 10,000, 20,000. Like, I just haven't been doing nothing on gaming for a while because I've been going hard. Look, 2,200, 2,200, 2,500, 2,200, 2,000. Just the randomness, bro, with the algorithm. So I said all that to say, look, 2,900, like if you have content, and just because you think, look, 3,300, 7,200, 2,500, 9,200, 3,500, 6,300, 2,700. But what I'm saying is, like, if you have content, and just because you might think that it's not good or it's not worth uploading, like if you already have it, you might as well just upload it, because the stuff that you think, look, 5,000, look, 12.8K, 10.9K, look, 42K. The stuff that you would think that won't get a lot of views is the stuff that will get the most views. It's like weird like that, bro. And like it's all just a learning curve, bro. Like, just have to you gotta be in the game, bro. Like, to play, bro. Like, you can't score a basket if you're not in the game. Feel me? It's impossible. Therefore, you must at least get in the game. And that goes for whatever you're doing. But definitely don't ride the bench. Right? And you know what I mean? You might have to come off the bench. Like, everyone has to come off the bench sometimes, bro. Like, very few just start off as a starter. You gotta come off the bench first, dog. And the people that do come off as starters are the ones that, if they ever fall off, can never make it back. You feel me? Because they never dealt with it before. They never dealt with adversity. But this market, I don't know. All right, let me see what these contracts are trading at. I really feel like fading these rips, bro. These things, they gapped up too much, bro. Remember what I said? What goes up must come down. And look at this. What goes up must come down. And I'll try it. Hold on, I need to post a watch list. Bro, y'all need to be jumping on that watch list, bro. I promise you. Oh, what's up, bro? What's up, empty username? Yo, who are you? Because it says empty username. My bad, dog. I didn't see your chat. My bad, bro. I'm gonna move my chat. I'm gonna move it somewhere where I can see it easier. My bad, dog. I would have definitely acknowledged you. Alright, let me post a watch list real quick. Bro, you guys should really be jumping on this watch list, bro. I'm telling you. I'll be right back. I gotta post it. What's good? I'm back. Dog, good info on the watch list, bro. Look. Come on, bro. Like, if you can't do nothing with that data, I don't know what to tell you, bro. Like, that's all I'm showing you. Come on, bro. Like, y'all sleep. Like, what was I looking at? I want to keep my eye on the China stocks. Look at the Qs. I mean, the Qs were kind of beat up yesterday, so you might expect what's up with my chroma key, my guy? Alright, that's Facebook. I don't know how to chat to Facebook though. Oh, I don't. The chroma key's not used to this white shirt, dog. Alright. So look at this XPEV chart. Look at this thing. Now, if we know what goes up must come down, correct? Do we know that? I think we know what goes up must come down. At least if we're dealing on massive bodies such as planets and things of that nature. Now, in space, where there's microgravity or zero gravity, obviously that isn't true. What goes up will continue to go up unless a opposite force is an equal or opposite force is interacts with it, basically. But we're not in space. Alright? So what goes up must come down. That's what I feel. And I think I might want to fade that. So I am going to look at this thing on the chart over here. And actually, let's do some technical analysis on it real quick. Bro, that thing just been freaking downtrending, bro. Look at that. Obviously, it's a bag holder chart, but dude, everything is a bag holder chart, bro. Like, everything's a bag holder chart because the market has just been trending down. Look, there's not even any resistances. I'm at supports underneath there. It's lower than an IPO'd, I think. Look, max monthly. Look, so this thing IPO'd at around $20. It's lower than that. So there's nothing underneath it. So there are no resistances off the daily. I meant, and no supports. I mean, there seems to be a support here. That's 625. Alright, so we got one at 625. And actually, I want to do this on this chart. $625. All right. And then I'd say we'd also have another one about 640s. There's one at 666. I'll pass. All right, looks like there's one at 670s. And then, I mean, obviously we have previous close. Which is 685. So there's our supports down there. I mean, if it does come down, but maybe not all the way down there, you could see it could catch a bounce around here at 729, 730. All right. Also, about 777. Or 7790. $777, and I mean, in the event that this thing, I mean, look, it's already topping out here at 827. Look Can't even see that. And then 735. And like I said, you know what I mean? Like, we're not discriminating. We need to be ready whether this thing goes up or down. You feel me? But I would expect it to freaking fade, bro. And again, that's just my opinion. Because look how it gapped up. And also, when I tried to verify the validity of the Chinese government saying they're gonna go with they're gonna get rid of the zero COVID policy, I couldn't find nothing. Give me 1 second. I gotta find my brush. My bad. I had to find my brush, dog. I already need a haircut. Gotta do whatever I can. But yeah, like I was saying, when I tried to do some research, right, into the validity of that news as to why these things are gapping up, and we couldn't really find nothing from the Chinese government verifying it. It seems like it, as of now, it's all based on rumor. So again, that would kind of be an elevating factor to fade these things. Now, not to say that off the open we don't get a little bull run, but because that could happen, and you guys can't see that. You feel me? Bro. My Active Trader Pro is acting so glitchy right now, dog. This is why I don't use it. Look at it. Look at this thing. I'm gonna have to close it out and reopen it. I ain't trying to go into the trading period with my shit laggy like that. You feel me? Let me see if it was just because of that chart. I mean, no, it's fine. I think it's because I had that chart on top of everything else and I had so much levels on it. But still, I don't care how many freaking levels I have on a chart. It shouldn't glitch like that. Especially if I'm on a gaming PC, bro. This is a Ryzen build. 32 gigs of RAM. 5600X CPU. With the matching AMD GPU. And not the cheap motherboard either. So, and again, I game on this thing, bro. Like I game and stream on this thing. So, charting should not cause this thing to glitch or do anything at all. I mean, it could be data related, like as in, you know, there's so much data streaming in from all the different charts. But again, I have gig speed, so I would not think that would be the case. It definitely has to do with that chart because I put so many levels on it. So everything else is fine with this chart over here, even off screen, it's still acting glitchy. Want to keep my eye on that. All right, we're about a little over 5 minutes into open. All right, so pre-market resistance at 827. It also lines up with some resistance going back to the 26th. So about a week ago. Right above that, we also have 830s resistance. And then the next one above that is going to be 924. These are all resistances. Now, as far as support, you got 790, 777, 730s. Previous close 685, 670, 640, 625. So, I mean, the smart thing to do would be to wait and see what happens off the open. Then we'll have Baba down here as a indicator of what some of the other China names are doing. Seeing some strength coming in the market, going into the open. Look, 60,000 shares on Baba right there. Look on the SPY and the Qs. You're seeing a nice little bounce off the 9 there. But honestly, I mean, the market's bearish, bro. The market's bearish, right? The only thing that concerns me is these China names, bro. Like, they do their own thing. So right now it's trading at what, 811? So what, the $8 put? $8 put. Expiration today. Or should we go for the 7.5? 7.5s are cheaper. The $8 is a little more, but there's also a little less open interest on it. I'll try it. Opening orders for options that expire that date are not accepted. They won't let me trade the ones that are expiring today because they could get exercised. So let's go out. Let's go out a week to the 11th. And look, this thing's bouncing. But there's a resistance at 827. About 825. I don't know, there's some strength going in. All right, market's about to open. All right, let's clear this out. With the 7.5s. I'm gonna grab some 7.5s. I'm gonna get them ready and primed. Oh, come on, man. All right. I just tried to buy on the ask. Look, as soon as I bought, look, they started fading. Look at that. Look. Damn it, I didn't get my fill. Replay, cancel. Yeah, cancel. Oh, no. There's something else. Look. They're fading, bruh. 750s. I want 2 of those. Damn, did I get filled? Well, I don't know why I'm not getting filled. Like, the price is still the same. I tried to buy on the ask, bro. So I should have got filled. I was willing to eat the spread. I guess there's not enough volume on them. God damn it. Fill me. Fill me. Fuck. Look, it's looking weak, bro. Look, 88 cents. They're still trading at 88 cents. I might have to cancel these. I'm gonna cancel and go with something that has more volume. God damn it. Look, them bitches are fading, look. Past 8. God. I mean, the 6s. I'm gonna grab some 6s then. That's how much I think this thing's gonna fade. Bro, can I get a fill? Look, bro, I'm trying to grab 5 of them things, bro. At 14. They're trading at, that's what they're trading at. Damn, dog. Can I get a fill, please? There's no volume on them, bro. That's what the problem is. Fuck, look, them things would have printed, bro. That's some bullshit. God damn, bro. Let me get a fucking fill on something, bro. Y'all gonna let me trade or what? I don't really want to freaking try to fade Bubba. I mean, it would have worked. But like now, it's too late. Wait, the 68s. Dog, the spread's too wide on them, bro. Hell no. Oh, like a $2 spread on them things. Damn. That shit would have worked. Alright. See, that's why I trade the same basket of stocks. I'm scared to keep trading Meta though, dog. I feel like I learned my lesson with Meta. Damn, if I would have got a fill on those XPEBs, bro, I would have been looking decent right now, my guy. But there's no volume. Man, AMD beat the shit out of me before. I'm scared of AMD. So let's let the rain set in. The market's bouncing. So what are we at? 61. So the 62. I'll grab a 62 call. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Do I have orders out there? Canceled, canceled, canceled. What's this? I don't know what that is when I'm canceling it. I don't even know what order that was, bro. Damn! Look at just missing the fade, dog. All right. Let me close this XPEV. That shit got my shit looking glitchy as fuck. Alright, let's chill and let the rain set in, bro. We don't know what this market's gonna do yet. Success. Why is Success negative? Success is negative $6. But the semis are selling off. The whole market's sold off. I mean, let's see what Nvidia does at VWAP. If Nvidia cracks VWAP, I would expect AMD to keep selling off. Look, I missed that 60. The 60 put would have printed, but see, look, Nvidia's like, now the market's trying to bounce. It could be a day cap bounce, though. Look at the wicks. The Q's already cracked. VWAP and the 120. The SPY's looking like it's cracking it as well. Let's let a rain set in. Look, you got the Qs at the 120 trying to catch a bounce. The SPY at VWAP trying to catch a bounce. Nvidia rejecting off of VWAP. $61, so the 62s on the ask. All right. I tried my hand on one. Because look, the Qs sold off and they're trying to catch a bounce here on the 120. And the SPY trying to bounce off of VWAP. And also Nvidia's trying to bounce. So I took the long position from calls on AMD down here at the bottom of this range, hoping that we at least, I know the market's bearish, and I should have, again, I don't know why I took a bullish position, but I feel like we might bounce before we continue to sell off. But looking at these charts, bro, look, it's looking like I took the wrong bet. Let's give it time to work. Because again, SOX S is negative $5. This is looking pretty bearish. We'll give it time to work. Look, candle put in a opened above the previous candle, which is a bullish pattern. So yes, the market is bearish, but with SOX S being negative $6, I would expect some bounce to come into the semis, even if it's just temporary. And right now it's working. So I would love to see AMD break above the 120, break above the 9 in VWAP in the short term, and at least get up here to the top of the range. And then I will go ahead and my goddamn chart will work. I don't even think that's the top. I'll say the top's around here. And I don't know what's going on with my Getty. My Getty is chopped up like spaghetti. I got the position, but I wasn't ready. I grabbed the wrong expiration. And now I need this thing to bounce in desperation for me to print enough money to pay my rent. Exactly. SOX S is negative $6, but it's trying to revert back to the mean. And this position is still in the green. It was in the green more. But like this tanking right here, bro. This tanking right here isn't good. Look at Nvidia. It's putting in higher lows. Damn. Come on, Getty, bro. You were looking so good. When this thing bounced up here, I could have got out for a profit. But if this thing cracks the bottom of the range, I gotta stop out. All right, look, we're seeing some bottoming. Try to come in the SPY and the Qs. Or the SPY. The Qs are still selling off. Yeah. Alright, let's see what the SPY does when it gets down to the 120 and what the Qs do when they get down the red to green. If they continue to head lower, I know I gotta stop out. Look, the SPY is trying to bounce and so are the Qs. That's why you see a wick on the bottom. Looks like Nvidia tried to do a little bouncing. It's just looking weak right now. I mean, if I would have just waited and got in around here, I mean, the contracts would have been 10 cents cheaper. So $10 cheaper. Alright, we're seeing some bouncing coming in the SPY and the Qs, which is actually a good sign. But Nvidia's looking weak. And the real test will come at this 120. Come on, Goody. Do something. And that thing just has no volume, bro. It's like a freaking, not even a barcode chart, bro. I don't know what you want to call it. This thing just has lines where a freaking candle should be like horizontal lines. Dude. I don't know what made me think it was okay to buy a dip. I just, again, the oversold element, bro. And actually, you would think the news that the zero COVID policy in China would be bullish for the semis, because that's where they come from. Alright, so we are 20 minutes into the trading period. Now is where you would expect the range to come in at, to be put in. Now, obviously, I mean, in regular market conditions, seeing this, you would think that we were going to put in the bottom of the range first. But being that the market's so bearish, that could have been the top, and we haven't put the bottom in yet. Look at this, they're just dumping. The roll test comes here with the Qs at red to green. Will they hold previous close or not? That's going to determine a lot. And while the Qs came down the red to green and tried to bounce, the SPY is on the 120 trying to bounce. And I do see volume coming into AMD. We got about 1.2 million shares coming in. So we just need The Qs to hold red to green, not crack that. And the SPY to not crack the 120. And Nvidia also not to crack the 120. Increasing volume, buying volume coming in on AMD. I'm gonna watch Apple over here. I'm gonna get this Getty off my screen. Oh my god, bro. Apple is just freaking like... Apple had some bearish news though. They freaking had to pause hiring. Look. Damn, that would have been a good one to fade. Forgot about that. They had to pause hiring. And look. So right now it looks like my theory could be correct. But we just went down to test the bottom of the range first. But again, like, I jumped the gun a little bit. I should have waited to let the bottom of the range set in. And then down here, I could have grabbed the 61s. But instead, because I bought up here, over 61, I had to grab the 62s. But we'll see. Right now, this looks pretty bullish. Man, in the 2 minute though, the SPY ain't looking too bullish. But the Qs are. And the Qs are more heavily weighted with tech stocks. So the Qs are a higher concern for me than the SPY is right now. And again, SOX S is negative almost $6. But it was negative 6. Now it's only negative $5.70. But we don't know how much stock we can put in that. Because remember that play that I freaking found yesterday at Power Hour? Alright, so look. Now SOX S is back negative 6. Negative 620 at one point. So you expect to see the semis bouncing. And that's what they're doing. Alright, and now this play is printing. I mean, it's not printing, but it's in the green. If we can catch some volume and get above VWAP and above this 120, we can start printing. And looking at the SPY and the Qs, this is a bullish pattern. Look, higher low, higher low, higher low. Bottom, base, bullish candle, higher low. Higher low, higher low, higher low on Nvidia. Bouncing off the 120, crossing over the 9, the short term, and VWAP. That's bullish for semis. And as you can see, SOX S is going deeper in the red. Now it's almost $6.50 in the red. So this play is winning right now. The only thing that's pissing me off is I got this Getty on my positions window and it's red. But again, I bought the wrong expiration. If you got the expiration for next week, you're good. So we're running into some resistance here with AMD at VWAP and the 120. And again, anything that I say is not a indicator or a call or alert for you to buy, hold, or sell any underlying equity, derivative, or cryptocurrency. This is for educational purposes only. Now, this pattern on NVIDIA, the Qs, and the SPY all look good for me. And look, SOX S is now $7 in the red. So, as long as this thing keeps going deeper in the red, you would expect NVIDIA and AMD and to some degree the Qs to run up. And I am 11% up on the contracts. This is the bullish pattern. We're being met with some resistance. That is fine. You can consider that a healthy pullback. Another real test is coming right now. Can the Qs break above the 120 and VWAP? Look at AMD. Breaking above VWAP in the 120 with some strength. I'm gonna go ahead and share my stream to other places. I need to find my notepad. Hold up. I mean, healthy pullbacks are fine. Remember what I said, when you see the price action going in your direction, you don't want to see it go straight there. You want to see it go there in moderation. Because, again, what goes up must come down. We've already established that. Well, look at that. Did I call that thing or what, dog? Well, and at some point, bro, you got to go ahead and acknowledge it. You feel me? And as soon as I start talking shit, it starts going against me. But again, healthy pullbacks are fine. I don't know about you, it just looks like a bullish pattern, bro. Look at this. Straight freaking higher lows. On the Qs, the SPY, and NVIDIA. Now, the SPY is meeting resistance at this nice round number here. This 375. What is it? 375.50. And so are the Qs. And what level is that? It's 364. I meant 264, sorry. Alright. So you would expect, and again, this is bullish. So if you would like the bullish pattern to continue, you would want to see healthy pullbacks. But they're dumping on this right now. Look, 2.5 million shares. Right there, they dumped on the Qs. Not so much on the SPY, only 700,000. So what we want to see, I mean, I don't like that dump. 2.5 million. That's a lot. What we want to see is just a higher low get put in, and maybe we bounce off a VWAP. But they dumped on this thing, bro. 2.5 million shares on a 2-minute chart. So basically, that's what, like 1.25 million shares. In 1 minute, they dumped on that. And that's why it rejects it so nasty. Right on that nice round number of that, what was it? 264. Dumped right there. It could have just been a whale trying to fade it real quick. You feel me? Like knowing that could be a resistance, going ahead and shorten it or trying to fade it real quick for a quick scalp. I'll see if they do it again. Looks like they're trying. And notice, when you're seeing this wicking, when they dumped on it, because the Qs have more tech in it, you're gonna see the same kind of action on NVIDIA and AMD. That happened like right here. And notice this thing tried to continue the trend. But at 6180s, we got resistance here. Now, I could go ahead and close out the position for a gain right here. And it's looking like that's what I should do. But they dumped on this thing right here, bro. 2.5 million shares. Look at this volume candle compared to all the other ones. That's significantly higher than any other candle besides maybe off the open. And off the open, you're always going to see the most volatility. So you really can't count that. But look at this one compared to all the other ones. And tell me if they didn't just back up a dump truck and dumped on that thing. But I want all the dip buyers to come and pump up this thing. Keep talking shit. I'm gonna pistol whip you and lump up that thing. That head on your shoulders. Dog, I thought I told you. I'm in the South and used to chopping boulders. But I don't do that no more. I'm all legal. That's more when I used to have the 22s on the Regal. That's me, take you out the first time. There's no prequel or sequel, and I don't see you. You're transparent like you're see-through. And I got bars, dog. And I also got scars, dog. Fully loaded. Like the scars on Fortnite. But they are real, dog. Get your money and forget how you feel, dog. We just gotta keep it real, dog. That's it. So this thing got up here to 61.80s and rejected decent. But notice there's some strong resistance up here, bro. Look at all this wicking. 375.75, I believe, on the SPY. Look, they dumped on it, bro. That probably was my best chance right there to go ahead and lock in. Ever since we hit that key level right there, we've just been tanking. And look, you see success. It was down 7. Now it's only down 6 3/4. Let's see if it's a healthy pullback. I mean, that thing ain't looking healthy, it's looking sick. It didn't get its vaccine, bro. It's sick. But from here to here, and notice we're on VWAP, so we're crucial right now. We're on VWAP, but we got the 9 above it. Now the Qs broke down VWAP. And they're fighting with the 9. But if we could at least from here to around here just maintain a higher low. Like something like that. Need to maintain this higher low right here. There's gotta be a way to like copy and paste that. That's a lot of work right there. It'd be so easy if I could just make one and then copy and paste them. So again, healthy pullback. All right, this is the second time we're going up and trying to break above this level. And it looks like it's doing it with some strength because look, you see the wick on the bottom bouncing off of VWAP, the 120, the 9, and the short term. So it looks like we might have enough strength to actually break through this level, and we have broken through it. And look, SPY, same thing. Look at Nvidia, leading the pack. And now look at SOX S down $8 now. That's all good for my position. But to really see some confirmation, we need the Qs to break above this chop. This 264. Until the Qs break above that 264, we're still hanging in the balance. We're hanging in the balance. Go sign up for my watch list so you can create generational wealth, and build your family a palace. Dog, they be hating so much. Why they come at me with the malice? Don't get mad at me because I drink Hennessy out of golden chalice. You feel me? Do you feel me? They hate so much. I wouldn't be surprised if someone tried to come and kill me. They got too much hate in their heart. But I always knew they hate from the start. That's how it is, and now my shit is printing. Oh, go sign up, dog. I'm trying to force feed you money, man. At this point, it is no longer funny, man. Dude. Do you really want to be stuck in the Matrix, man? Because that's what you are. You're in the Matrix, dude. If you continue to get up and do the same thing over and over, bro, going and clocking in somewhere, bro, that is the Matrix. I know it's hard to hear, but you need to take this knowledge. Come and make more money than someone that went to college for years, bro. Ain't no time for tears, bro. Ain't no time for fears, bro. Get out your comfort zone. That's the only way you grow. Printing, but bro, like my freaking Getty play, bro. I'm looking at Apple. That bounce play was sweeter than some Snapple. Yeah, I'm something like a rapper and a producer. Don't bring it around me, cause I might seduce her just with my looks. Bro, you can't learn just from some books. You gotta really get out there and do it. Trust me. I'm printing, and I must be on to something. Get on the train, dog. I'm trying to bring you guys with me. So, you know, we're at the top of a range here. Like, let's take a closer look at the SPY right now. I can't do it like that. Alright, look. Let's see what we really got going on here. See that top? Look at that, like a V-shaped recovery. So, honestly, I would expect there to be some resistance up here, bro. If you ask me. At 377, about 377 flat with a nice round number. So you would expect to see resistance up here, right? And that's what we're seeing. See, there's a lot of people selling into it. That's why you're seeing the wicks. The Qs haven't even got up there yet, though. So the SPY's bleeding. And being that this might be the top of the range, and we're seeing some decent resistance, I'm feeling like I need to go ahead and just lock in gains at this point. What do you think? Look at this throwing off. Look at these wicks. This is what I don't like about this. Look at that thing freaking tanking, bro. Well, I'm busy here trying to fix this damn box, dude. Fidelity needs to step their fucking... excuse my French. They need to step their game up, bro. On their charting platform, bro. Let's see what happens at the top of this range now, because we could go ahead and break out. That's the only reason why I haven't locked in the gains yet, and because the Qs haven't really got up there yet. And again, the Qs have more tech in them. So, I mean, the equivalent would be like around here for the Qs. Which would be 265.80s. 265.85. The Qs haven't got up there yet. And looking at this wick, there was a wick on the top for a second. It was looking like we're gonna reject. See, depends on what the SPY does right here. Bro, look at this. I'm clicking up here and it's moving that. Look at this, bro. Come on, Fidelity. Step your shit up, bro. Go freaking partner with Daz, bro. Oh my god, bro. If they partnered with Daz, it'd bring so much more business. Alright, so we got the SPY trying to break through this resistance again. These 377s up here. See the wick on top? It's rejecting it. But again, why the SPY is kind of like basing up here and topping, you got the Qs steadily grinding up to get to that level. So if the Qs haven't got there yet and the Qs continue to go up, that would either make me think that the SPY would break through and continue to go up, or that the Qs will never get to this level. It's one or the other. And right now the Qs are putting in a bullish pattern, continuation of a bullish pattern, which would make me think that the SPY would go ahead and break through this resistance. And as you can see now, look, SOX S is damn near $9 in the red. I made this beat for y'all, bro. I don't know how many times I have to play it for y'all, bro. Look at the SPY, broke through the resistance. So now we need the Qs to go ahead and rip through this. Now if the Qs follow the SPY, alright, the SPY broke through, right? So now it's okay if we see a healthy pullback to this level or some basing here. We don't want to see it go straight up. We want to see it go up with moderation. If you want the trend to continue, you want to see healthy pullbacks and moderation. Renting, if I keep this up, I will no longer be renting. Again, man, watch my video from last night, bro, and you have to ask yourself, are you here for entertainment or are you here to make money, bro? Because the two are different. And look, people are watching it. So that means I'm getting through to people. And it's okay if you're here if you're here for entertainment, like in the YouTube financial space for entertainment. There's nothing wrong with that. There's some good entertainment out there. But are you here for entertainment or are you here for real value? That's what you need to ask yourself. Because I'm here delivering real value. Through actual live price action, real life plays that I am executing in real time. Okay? That's different. That's different than someone uploading a video later telling you what they did, what they might have done. All right? Or even if they did do it, they didn't do it where you were able to watch them do it and learn from it and possibly follow along. All right? So there's your difference between entertainment and real value. And, you know, everyone likes to be entertained here and there, bro, but I am not doing this for entertainment. I am doing this to make money and pay my bills. I don't have another job. This is my job. Watch the video from last night, bro, where I showed you that play that made freaking $100 a minute. There's no job you're gonna go to where you can go clock in for a half an hour and make $100 a minute, bro. Maybe if you're a freaking, I'm not even gonna say that, because I don't want to get in trouble. Look at this volume coming. Look at this volume bar on the SPY, looking pretty bullish with a million shares there. Look, the Qs still haven't broke above this. That's what we're waiting for. That's why we're having this trouble here. And that's why we've been topping out on Nvidia for a while. It looks like this is the candle. Because look how small the volume is already, and that thing's like pushing up with the wick underneath. And this timing sales right here is for AMD. FYI, in case anyone's wondering. Damn, I'm kind of freaking wishing I would have bought more contracts. See, like I was saying, like normally, bro, in a market condition like this, I wouldn't be buying any dips or going long, but like, you know, seller exhaustion is a thing. So look, they're dumping on the SPY. It wasn't more than this though. This was 1 million shares. This dump was only 780,000. So hopefully we can maintain a higher low and keep going up. Notice though, the Qs still haven't broken above that level, and that's why we're not seeing more continuation to the upside on Nvidia and AMD. But the SPY is doing its thing. Look, now SOXS is down $9 plus almost $9.50. So what that tells you is that the semis are bullish. We want to see this thing go down to $10 negative. This can get to 10 negative. I'm pretty confident we break above this level right here, and the Qs break above this level. And Nvidia has been topping out up here for a while, and I believe it's making the new high. At 140, 142.10. That's the high. Zero drop frames. That's why I'm long AMD. Like, as far as the long-term portfolio, I'm bullish AMD. You heard it. That's a good one. Don't take my word for it. Hey, look, the Qs are having trouble with this level. $265.85. Key level. Our key levels we make white. I got that from Humble Trader. She always makes her key levels white. Look at Nvidia trying to make new highs. Like, bro, this level's giving us real problems here, bro. And like, so 1, 2, 3, 4 times now. Usually, when you see price action rejecting a level 3 times, that means it's gonna reject decent. And look, is he gonna try again? Qs need to bounce off this 9. Come on. Yeah, that's a laid back beat, right? It reminds me of like an old school beat. Oh, I bumped into my mic. Damn. When I bump into it, starts like. When I bump into my mic, it freaking, like, sometimes it like starts sounding like static. Oh, let me double check it. That's fine. Dog, how come, my bad, bro. Like, how come oh, I didn't refresh my thing. My bad, Larry. What's up, Larry? What's up, C-Tape? Yeah, the beats are tight, right? Yeah, get on it, Larry, dog. Damn. Like, I forgot to refresh my chat, bro. You got the apps up and running? All right. Go sign up for the watch list. Bro, like, it's not a sham, bro. I'm showing it to you, like, live, bro. I'm in these positions. Telling you, bro. I don't know how much. Like, I don't understand why I have to force feed people ways to make money, bro. Like, it doesn't make sense to me. Go sign up for the watch list. You feel me? Download Discord. Already got a few people in there. If you guys go ahead and do that, then I'll set up my other PC where I'll just have Discord open all day. That way we can communicate in there, and I can give you like more game that I can't really give on here. And I got a whole bunch of content that's going, that's ready to go up on there. I just haven't had time to put it on there, but like, if enough people get in there, I'll go ahead and put all the stuff on there. Right now I'm just uploading the watch list and stuff and little things here and there. But I got a whole class, bro, a whole playlist. If I get enough people to go on there and sign up, I'll just put the whole class on there, bro. And it's not about the money. It's the reason why I haven't done it is like it takes time. Like, it's a lot of work. But if you know, enough people get on there, then I'll have to do it. You feel me? I mean, dude, $10 a month, bro. I'm telling you, when me and my girl, my daughter's mother go to Starbucks, bro, and we get 2 Starbucks drinks, bro, they're like $16 each, bro. So for the cost of a Starbucks, for less than what a Starbucks drink costs, you can make enough money to eventually freaking own your own Starbucks. Doesn't make sense, dude. Yeah. What are you watching on YouTube? Did you watch that video from last night? Look, this one. Look at all this thirst trap they put on my page. Look, I've never searched nothing on this page. Look, there's nothing but thirst trap. Look. Why are they putting all this thirst trap on here, bro? Like, I haven't searched anything on this page. I haven't been watching no porn or nothing like that, bro. So why are they pitting me with this thirst trap? I don't understand it. Again, bro, it's the mainstream media, bro. They're trying to destroy you. Look, see, now people are watching it. Look, this video. Go back and watch that. And look, the queues are finally breaking above that key level. So we can expect to see more upside on AMD and Nvidia, everything here. Alright, so now I know I have to refresh. I gotta refresh my chat. Is the chat popping up on the stream though? Type something in the chat real quick. because it's supposed to pop up on the stream. The watch list is on, there's a link on my page. Like if you go to my page, it leads you to it. It says daily morning briefing and watch list. Oh, like why isn't my chat popping up though? Wait, I see stuff popping up, but full access to OBS. Alright, basic access to OBS. Read. Like, my chat's supposed to be popping up on here, man. Look, there's a chat.
But yeah,
my Facebook chat's supposed to be like there.
Something you can build.
My Twitch chat's supposed to be popping up. Like I gotta go back and I'll fix it. I'll fix it later. I don't want to troubleshoot during the live stream. But the chat's supposed to pop up on the screen, bro. But at least I can see you guys here. Yeah, but can you see the chat popping up on the screen on the live stream? It's supposed to pop up on there. And as I'm over here talking, my positions are tanking. I mean, that's looking like more than a healthy pullback. I mean, I'm up 35% on the contracts. So I'm still up decent. See, the Qs are trying to give back this key level. If we give back that key level, I'm gonna have to go ahead and cash out. All right, let me show you where the chat is. I meant where the thing is. I think you can get it right here. Daily morning watch list, right? And if you click on any one of my videos and you go to more, the link's right here. And then when you do that, download Discord. All right, now download Discord. Are you on P? Okay. All right. So after this live stream, or when I take a break during like lunchtime, I'm gonna go ahead and send you guys the links to get you access to the server. Let me just manage these positions real quick. All right. So you just need the link for access. I'm gonna send you the link. Let me see what's going on real quick, because I don't like this. It looks like we're selling off. I'm up 31%. And look, there's a wick on the top there, which signifies more downside. I probably should have got out up here. We'll see though. We got the Qs. See, the Qs gave back the key level, but they're bouncing off the 9. So let's see if we can bounce off the 9 and reclaim that level. And I see strength trying to come in and AMD, but look, it's rejecting off the 9, bro. I don't like that. This is a bearish pattern right here. Look, consecutive lower lows and lower highs. And we haven't really seen that. We've seen healthy pullbacks, but we haven't seen consecutive bearish pattern yet, which could signify a change in the trend. Let's give it a little bit more time to work. I got you. I gotta go log into my Patreon and see who signed up for what, so I can send you guys the links. And now, since we got more people in, I'm gonna start uploading the full course in there. Bro, I don't like this bearish pattern, bro. Look, the Qs gave back this level, and they're trying to give back the 9. Look, rejecting off the 9. I might go ahead and cash out. Look at that wick. Look at the wick. But see, they were turning it into a doja candle, which is like a candle of indecision, a wick on the bottom and the top. So that lets me know there's still buyers. And look, we bottomed, and now a new candle opened above the previous candle, which is a bullish pattern. So we need to break above the 9. And let's get rid of some of this. Clean these charts off. We can see what's going on. But check it. Success is down $9.30. As long as this continues to go deeper in the red, you can expect the semis to go deeper in the green. So it's going deeper in the red. Look, 942, 945, now 939, now 950. All right, see, that's a bullish pattern right there. Look, we bottomed and based. New candle opened above the previous candle. That's bullish. And now we were looking bullish, but we came back up to the 9 and rejected. All right, good. Do you have a PC, or are you operating off a mobile? Because I ain't gonna lie, like to take it to the next level, you need to be on a PC or at least a laptop. Can't be on a phone. Can't be trading on Robinhood, bro. Alright. Robinhood's just robbing the hood, dog. They did it with GME and AMZ. Look, this thing's selling off. I'm about to lock in my gains, bro. Alright, I was making sure that you weren't on like just like on your phone, like on Robinhood or something. But like, honestly, if you want to be able to like have a setup similar to mine, like this thing's selling off. Come on, man. Now I know as soon as I cash this out, dude, this thing gonna flip. But dude, this is clearly bearish, bro. So I think I'm gonna close it. Alright, I got it loaded up and primed to close. I'm gonna give it a couple more seconds, a couple more ticks, see what happens. But look at this. We got up here. To this level here. 266.50 and just reject it decent. And I'm just seeing my gains freaking go lower and lower right now. Look at this. I'm out. I'm out. Look at the cues. God damn it. I'm out, dude. Look it. It's all good. You don't want to. You don't have to be too greedy either. Like, see, I should have just took the gains up here, bro. But it's all good because we're not in it for home runs. We're in it for base hits. So now look, some bounce trying to come back. Let's see what else we got going on out there. Let's check out my Getty position. I mean, it still has a chance. All right, so around this time, bounce usually comes in the market. And bro, was I wrong on the China stocks? Look at NIO. I'm glad I didn't get filled. But now it's looking like it's topping out. Now would be the optimal time to probably sell the rip. We're at 1150s. Sold the 11 puts. I grabbed 11 puts. I did that kind of fast. So now that I'm in China stocks, we need to pull up some China stocks and watch them. The thing with the China stocks is the Chinese government, bro. It's like the wild, wild west out there, bro. They just do whatever they want. And Baba was a good company, bro. It still is. But the Chinese government, bro, they freaking screwed that man, bro. Whoever the owner is of Baba, Jack Ma, he was like the richest like person, CEO or whatever in China, bro. They screwed him. Yeah, like I was saying, like if you want to be able to have a setup like similar to mine, where you can have like a bunch of different charts open and shit, like you want to have a pretty decent PC. But don't let that stop you from learning. Like, damn, bro, I sold this rip. I don't know if that was a good play or not, bro. Let me look at something real quick. Let me just see what's going on with this real quick, and then I'm gonna jump off and get you guys your access. Hold on. We were topping out. And that's what I mean by wait and let the rain set in. So you had profit takers off the open take profits, right? That's why you see the sell off. That's why you see the wick on top. They're selling into it. After the profit taken and all that is over with, then you got people that are still bullish and riding the trend up. They rode it up to the top of the range, which looks like the top of the range is 1150s, 1157. We'll just call it 1150. No, it's not 1150. It's 1157. So that's the top of the range, right? And that's why I sold that rip up there. Bro, this is what I hate about Fidelity. So, it was looking like a good play. And I'm green on it. But it's trying to bounce off this 9. So what we want to see is Neo crack the 9 and head lower towards VWAP. And see, it looked like it topped out and was putting in a bearish pattern. But now they're coming in and buying it. So let's see what happens when it gets back to the top of that range, that level. Now what I would expect for it to do is to get up here and reject. So let's see what Baba's doing. And they did some decent profit taking on Baba. Look at that. Off the open. Remember, I was trying to sell the rip on the China stocks in the beginning of the stream. That would have worked. Look. And then ever since then, after the profit taking phase, the China stocks have been grinding up. and it looked like they hit the top of a range. Baba here, Neo here. So we need for that to hold true as the top of the range. And we need to crack this 9 EMA. But all these green prints here, bro, lets me know that they're buying Neo. So what we want to see is a bunch of red prints like that. But more. More. Like that. I just want to see this thing crack and go back down towards VWAP in the 120. That way I can at least make back some of the money that I left on the table from the AMD trade. And I am seeing a lot of red prints here. I have 3. I got my main monitor here in the front, which is like a gaming monitor. It's like a real PC monitor, a Samsung. It's like a 27-inch or something. Really good, like a decent refresh rate. And then my other 2 monitors are just flat screen TVs. I got one right here, and I got like a 55-inch right here, like a LG. But I mean, honestly, you could get it done with 2 monitors. Like if you have a good enough laptop, you can just get like one of those cables that you connect like to a different monitor or something and extend your screen, and then you can have 2 monitors. But it's really gonna depend on how good your laptop is or your PC is. Wait, I don't like this bouncing. No, HDMI. Well, actually,